black. No, I'm not.
Hey, we're playing Warframe now. Aiden, is yours done?
It's at 75%.
All right, Jordan, let's open up a relic.
I don't. It's taking
how about
so long.
how about
Why?
we do one of my missions?
No, I need to open one last relic.
Last one. Okay.
Yes, and then we
I
need to
have
do a
a
defense
lot of
mission, but we'll do that with Aiden because it's been a while since we've done defense on video. Ah, yes, Wukong. Oh wait, no, that's rare. Do I have a common Wukong? No, damn it.
Let me go. Oh gosh. All right, I'm ready.
Stop singing the song that I'm singing. God damn it, Aiden. It sounds like crap over here. Can you please refrain? Let's fly, 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 Makafushki.
I don't. Why, brain? Why? That question? Why? I question my own brain sometimes.
I question my brain constantly.
My brain thought of just asking the random question. I don't even want to ask it because it's so dumb.
You should, just so we know what your brain was thinking at that moment in time.
Okay, you ever try to suck your own?
No, actually. I know I'm not that flexible. I do stretches in cross country. I know I'm not that flexible. Have y'all ever
You happy now, brain?
yours?
Jesus frick. Y'all have what?
Have you ever measured yours? Because apparently that's a thing people do.
I wouldn't like to share my size.
What?
Are we talking about tank sizes?
Yeah,
yes,
I've never.
I don't know what size mine is.
No, I have no clue. Knowing won't change anything.
I
don't
know
need
I
to
have
know
an
that I'm
average
inadequate.
dick.
I've seen mine. I know I'm inadequate. I'm aware of this fact. I don't need to be reminded.
I think I'm fairly average.
I think I'm inadequate. I don't
But
know.
I don't
know.
really have a frame of reference.
Yeah, exactly. I don't have a frame of reference. I wouldn't even know. I'm not
I don't
looking
have
that
a
up.
frame of reference.
I'm not looking that up even in an incognito tab.
Well, you see.
I was just wondering if you did. I don't need to know what size. I don't care.
You wanna brag about this? I'm kidding.
No, because I have nothing to back it up. Let's see. What
Why brain? Jesus, brain.
That's it. You opened the relic.
Okay, cool. Time to get over to the reactor.
Why does my brain
Excuse me.
think of dicks?
Because you're bi. It's just one of the things you think of. Like saying why. I'm not actually going to say that. You all can read in however you please. Take that as you will.
What?
Nothing.
Why do I think about boobies?
Expose its core
Yeah, there it is.
and destroy it.
I sometimes think about that.
Hey, Jordan. Never mind, you're not here. I'll do it myself.
Target
Do
destroyed.
what?
Okay, time to leave.
Extraction point.
Were you capturing a body?
Jordan, it's time to leave.
What do you mean?
I mean, I broke a reactor, and that usually breaks the fabric of reality.
Again, how long do we have?
I don't... Oh, there isn't a timer on this one. You have 1 minute.
I'm stuck. It's
You're the
excellent.
salt of the earth, Jordan.
You're the salt of the earth. Go.
I'll
Okay.
take that.
No, grab the forma, you dingus.
Why?
Because
it
we
says
need forma.
blueprint.
Yeah, we can make a forma with the blueprint. You don't have more than one. It's a one-time thing, Jordan.
Okay.
We need forma for rooms.
At least I think I have 5. I can't make 5.
Hey, my Tigris is a rank 9.
How did you take all the damage?
Sword.
Okay, guys. Put your hand, thumbs up position. With like your thumb like okay, so like the pad of your thumb facing away, and look
Okay.
at it.
Mm-hmm.
Mungus.
Oh my god.
Shut the frick up.
Oh my god.
It's everywhere. It's been there since the dawn of time.
I hate.
I hate it.
I'm muting him. I've muted Aiden. I'm not doing this anymore.
It's too late, Aiden.
Yeah, I've muted him. That's not great for content, however, so he can stay. I can remove him from the group. That was the most misbreezing noise I've ever heard. It gets worse.
Wait, bro. I'm on no side.
Fuck
It's
is wrong with
absolutely
the
great.
two of you?
You know what? Fuck you. Unhell's your highway.
This is a single player mission. I was about to start it with you, but it's, I guess, single player.
I'm gonna ride it all night long.
Hey, my childhood movie.
Yeah, Cars. Feel like my
I like how I loved
Undoki's your
cars
dokie.
as a kid, and now I'm scared to drive.
I'm afraid to drive as well.
It just turned the wheel.
You also have to hit the
Turn the
gas,
wheel.
but not in the correct way.
It's
I
just
actually-
like Mario Kart.
I drove a golf cart before.
Aiden, what's your percent at?
Let me check. 88.
Basie Street.
So
Sorry,
I'm
that's a
going
jazz
to
chart
do
we're
a
playing.
single player mission,
Oh.
if that's okay. Well, I don't think it's gonna take that long. It's a rising tide mission, you know.
Wait, you haven't done that yet?
Well, it's a new one. I don't even know
Oh, right.
why
You have to
it's
build
here.
the piece. Continue.
Yes.
Probably because you were in the middle of a piece, but they've made the piece cheaper to produce. And so they want you
Wow,
to
after
acquire it
I
again.
just did that.
Shut the fuck up, Jordan. You didn't just finish it. I did. Suck my penis. Actually, don't. I'm not into that.
You did finish it, but I did do more of the resources.
Thought you were gonna say more stuff than me, and I'm like, how?
I haven't done more of the stuff than you. I don't even know why
I
you're.
haven't lost my virginity because I never lose. Thank you, Jordan. that was such
That was-
a genuine laugh from him. That was such a genuine laugh for that joke. Just for that joke, Jordan. I expected more from you.
Oh, gosh. Don't expect more from me. I'm not give it to you.
That's fair. Nobody gives it to me because I have a fear of intimacy. Anyway,
Why do you beat yourself up like this, Charlie?
I don't know. It's just muscle memory. I don't mean any of it.
Muscle memory.
No, that's how I would usually do things when I was sad. Because Krishnendu did it, and so I thought it must make me feel better in some way. I don't know if it did. It just made people laugh. That made me feel better. Making other people laugh always made me a little happy. So, hey, it worked. Yeah, it turns
It
out
works
all
for
I
me
needed
all the
was
time because I
a
laugh
year
all the
away
time.
from everyone, and my depression is fine now. A small price to pay for salvation. and I'm in a better mental health place than I have been since 3rd grade.
Clear hostiles, my ass.
My ass. I'm here to shit ass.
I'm gonna find that dick.
I just wanted to press that one.
I still question my sexual appeals.
I'm gonna find that dick. Mother, I bring news from the womb.
Lay it on me, man. Amazing.
Nobody. Geese.
Why does that make me laugh?
I know I'll get one of you with it. Aiden, I don't... has he been speaking, or has he just not been speaking? I don't know.
He's just not been speaking.
Okay, good. I thought I still had him muted. Here, hang on. Let's see if this gets a reaction.
I am the void.
He's the void? Oh, did he load?
No.
No. What are you at?
96%.
Jesus. You know what that means? It's backwards 96. Upside down 96. Fuck it. You know what I was trying to say.
69.
In the summer of 69. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Oh, the trip will be fine. In my right.
I cut off his head.
What?
Huh? I was just talking about how I cut off this guy's head.
69. Oh, the trip will be fine.
Stop blocking me, you trolls.
Trolls? Did you call them trolls? Trolls?
I meant drones.
Drone? How?
How
did you mean?
I don't know. I don't know. I was thinking of trolls. I was thinking of $19 Fortnite card.
What? I know the Chug Jug thing, but I don't know that one.
You haven't? It's literally all over the internet.
I don't know. I just learned about the Chug Jug thing. I don't
You just...
look. I'm not what the kids call hip.
I'm
cultured
kids
with
call
Gen Z memes because
in with
I'm...
the boys.
Beep. Beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep,
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 I'm
I'm
a sheep.
Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep.
Meow, meow, I'm a cow. I said meow, meow, I'm a cow.
No! Meow, meow, I'm a cow. I said meow, meow, I'm a no.
I will never join you.
That Aries just coming hard. It wouldn't surprise me if he came while he loaded. Just it's finally here.
No.
What is everything?
Warframe is up to date. Yes!
Yeah, I don't know why people think we're gay. I have no clue, man.
Taste divine curry.
Well,
Taste
now I
divine curry.
understand why they think I'm gay.
Shut the fuck up, Jordan. I like how I
enjoyed
didn't.
that.
Yeah,
Taste
I
divine
didn't miss a
curry.
beat. I've been saying "Taste Divine Fury" with Aiden for 2 years because Goku Black's English dub line is "Taste Divine Fury," and then he sends me a pic of Goku Black holding a spoon and without missing a beat, "Taste Divine Curry."
It's divine curry.
Taste divine curry.
I didn't know it was going to be that kind of a fight.
Railjack retrofit.
Propulsion systems.
I'm glad that I don't have to look at the. It's something different from the Orphix that I'm. You know.
Yeah. Hey, could you tell Aiden was entering his password? No, because I'm surprised. You should probably have heard it. He must be playing Friday Night Funkin'. He's playing MILF.
I'll beat
I
Woody
didn't know
one
there was
day.
that many notes.
I'll be witty.
Would
Ah!
he be like?
Ooh, configure
Would he
plexus.
be like?
What are these things? Oh, oh, oh,
Nobody.
oh.
Witty.
Nah, that sounded like the mother.
You know I'm so much purer than common vulgar weak licentious crowd.
What does this sound like? Oh.
How do I just go to my Railjack? Like, there was just a way to board it, right? Without taking you.
Yeah, you just open up your menu and then click Railjack.
Sorry, Cyber. Oh,
Oh, there's another one.
another
I have
one.
138 intrinsics available.
I have one.
What?
But this
I
didn't
don't
take
even
me to my
know what
Railjack.
these words mean.
Aiden, you lied to me.
What?
This doesn't take me to the Railjack. It opens up those two menus.
Oh,
What two menus? What the
so
fuck?
there's
You click Railjack and it takes you to Plexus and Intrinsics.
what?
I click Railjack. It says board Railjack, Plexus, and Intrinsics.
There's no board Railjack. I
I
haven't boarded
it.
the Railjack manually yet.
Breathe new life.
Pardon?
I was reading random things, and I would hope that be out of context.
Oh no.
Aiden,
Did I
what do you
want
know?
to
No.
No,
again?
no. Oh no.
Aiden, what did you do?
The artillery gun. It's gone.
What?
It's gone.
No, what? No. Wait, hang on. No, it's
We got
not.
No,
What?
no.
What do you mean they got rid of it?
It's gone. It's not there anymore.
No, let me board the rail.
Rank 5 is Necromech Fury.
Okay, maybe we're hold on.
No. It's not there. I'm looking at all of it's not there. I have lost the Arcwing Slingshot. This is Phantom Eye, Target Sync. It's not there. Is it?
Hang on.
Is it one of the other ones?
You can still make dome charges. Resupply forward artillery. That's still a thing.
What does it mean? I just realized that you were doing a Friday Night Fucking song.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing
Okay,
with my life.
look, we can still build the dome charges. Maybe it's just not required anymore, where you don't have to get to rank 5.
That would be cool.
I'm going to the dojo.
I'm doing my intrinsics.
And leave
Jojo.
here, fucker. Jojo!
I'm
Okay,
at the
how long?
Jojo.
It's been 19 minutes. We've done literally one mission because Aiden kept loading and Jordan had something else to do.
Yeah.
God damn it, you guys.
I should have recorded that, not gonna lie.
Probably.
Should I record videos from this on board?
No, because I'm doing the Wareframe. Because I know it will upload.
Well, you see.
Because Aiden still hasn't just scheduled his Friday Night Funkin' videos.
Shut.
Or his cry of fear.
Or his cry
Shut.
of fear. That's
Shut.
not gonna happen.
It's gonna. Don't worry about it. It's gonna.
1,000 years later.
How many damn things do I have? Jesus.
Why am I just imagining just an old man? I finally did it. I uploaded my trial.
Finally done it.
Can we just go to the fucking dojo?
I am at the dojo.
Oh my
Jojo.
god.
I have so many intrinsics point. I'm just gonna start randomly applying them.
Pain.
Okay, there we go.
Pain. Kill me.
Pain, pain, pain. Pain. All I know is pain. All I know is pain.
Cool story, bro.
Pain.
I feel like I should understand this reference.
Meh.
Yes. My
Oh,
rail.
Jesus frick. I saw a shadow. What the frick?
It's probably Umbra.
That freaking scared me so
I
much.
forgot we were using a different Railjack.
And I was like,
Yeah.
that's not.
Have you still not gotten rid of the wear and tear?
I thought I did the. Oh, I might not have on the interior. Hey, Jordan.
Aboard this vessel, we work
Yeah, I don't think I did it on the exterior or the interior.
An hour to do.
I can't get rid of it on the
No.
interior.
still offline. This
My Railjack
Wear and tear is
repairs
at 0.
I search
hour
for what
to
is missing.
do.
The harder I look,
I can't do it on the interior, Aiden.
no, need my eyes.
It's
Hey,
just
dude,
fine, but when I press X on it, it
your Railjack doesn't fucking work.
Thank you,
'cause
Aiden. It's because he's speaking to me. He's still speaking. Apparently, I needed to join the thing and maybe yada yada. Hey, Jordan, get in here.
oh wait, yeah, I do need to join your guys' thing.
Let me.
Let me in. Let me.
So the Railjack is considerably smaller.
Yeah, I heard that.
Aw. Well, it does make it easier, but like,
Yeah, it is like considerably smaller.
are we allowed to use this guy?
I need to go
And
to
I
Lua.
think hull ruptures have just been completely phased out.
Holy gosh, everything has changed.
Hey, I need to go to
Yeah.
Lua.
I already checked up.
Hey, Jordan.
Jordan.
Here, let's figure. Wait, what?
Jordan.
Oh, wow,
Wait,
yeah. They've
oh,
just
oh.
compressed the Railjack. That's
Mm-hmm.
okay. Honestly,
It
I
is
like it. It was a lot of
super
dead
small.
space.
It
There
is a
wasn't
lot
really a
of dead
point
space.
to a lot of it.
What? Hey, I think we just got kicked out.
Yeah, we did.
Riveting.
Stop stealing my colors.
Maybe this is a single player mission. I don't.
I didn't. I actually just hit random until I found a bunch of colors that I like.
Yep, I guess. Whatever. Let's just get this shit over with.
Also, are those like attachments or are those actually part of the Warframe?
What do you mean? My wrist?
Like the things on your wrists and stuff.
Yeah, that's actually part of the Warframe.
Oh, neat.
They're my Gale claws, I like to call them.
Hey, look, now I get to do a single player thing. Spectacular. Just wanted to do some Railjack. He's just cock-blocking me at every turn.
Yeah, get balls like a smurf over here.
What did you try saying?
Said, yeah, getting balls like a smurf over here.
Oh, okay.
Stop. Something has occurred.
I want to leave. 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 Let me leave. What's happening?
Why'd I just think of this?
Desire to be filled,
That's weirdly sexual.
to be known. You
Wait,
hold
what?
a key. Return to the orbiter.
Did you read my mind or something? What the frick?
What? I don't know what it said on your screen.
I said, I don't know what I thought of that, and then... and then
Sorry,
you
he had said, I
"That's
feel a
awfully
trembling,
sexual."
a need to be filled, and I'm like, oh, God.
Oh. thought you just.
I've been on the internet long enough to know where this is going.
I don't know. I just thought of this.
What did
But
you
when you're
think?
better at baseball, hey, yo, pitcher, throw them balls at me.
If you insist. I mean, that's what we were doing last night.
Hold on. I'm gonna go into Free Flight and just figure out how all the new stuff works.
Yeah, no, I'm just
Give
gonna
me
do
a
a trial by
give me a
fire.
here.
Close to resolution. I can feel it.
Stop being weirdly sexual, Cephalon. We are close to resolution. I can feel it.
We moaned at the same time.
close?
You close?
Thank you, Aiden.
Close?
I opened 11 crates? What the fuck?
Welcome
Wow.
to the Proxima
Okay.
region.
Let me just do something then, since we're all splitting up.
We're not, though? I just finished.
Oh, well. we
Oh,
all split
okay.
up.
Well,
God damn it. You asshole.
yeah, send me shoot me an invite
I
then.
hate you all. God,
Shoot me an invite. Ah.
fuck you, bro.
Why do you keep inviting me to the fucking dojo?
That's where I spawn. I just want to go to where I'm Railjack. I've got some kind of key.
Then get on the damn
I can't. He
Railjack.
keeps speaking to me. He's like, no, you have to do this now. He's like, I was told I would be able to build it and it would be over.
No.
Nobody told me about these extra things. What do you have to do once you get the key, Aiden?
Ah,
God damn it. You are literally no help.
What you have found,
that's
What
me.
do I do after we get key?
will be proven. My end shall be at an end.
Okay,
You
I
are
think
in
I'm
the air, Aiden.
I'm gonna put the thing in the
What?
finger holder.
You're like. I think my game is breaking.
Probably.
I mean, it is Warframe.
Because
What are you seeing?
walking
Why
on
are there
nothing.
tentacles growing out of the thing?
You ever heard of
No, I
tentacles?
think it's more like roots.
Oh, okay. Why is a finger growing roots?
Good question. Never figured that out.
Why is a finger growing things?
Cheap ass jump scare.
Unless you're Deadpool. Can't do that. You can't just grow things from your.
Oh, great. It's Hey Kiddo Boy again. God damn it.
What?
Yes, yes.
Who is
My
that?
stop.
Wally?
The guy who always says, hey kiddo. Like, who the fuck are you?
Yeah, it's Wally.
Wally. Jolly
see me?
Wally.
Hey, you see me?
You know, the man in the wall.
Online
Yeah,
Wally.
God, are you
I'm on the.
serious?
or space.
I'm on the.
Yep.
Proceed to
Look at me.
navigation.
Oh, are you down there again?
Earned this.
No, I'm not down there. I'm over here. Follow Millie.
Let's take a ride.
You see me?
My Railjack started moving. Guys,
Hey, look.
Where the
Guys?
fuck is Millie?
Hey,
Guys.
Millie's over here. Behind you. Behind you.
I think my Railjack is active.
No, that's dog meat.
Hey
Hey,
guys.
look. Hey, what,
Oh,
what,
hey.
what happened? Oh,
Yep.
oh, hey.
Hit that sweet, sweet check mark.
Spoiler alert, I'm on the thing that the guy drives, you know, the cargo thing.
Oh, yeah, that thing.
Hey, I'll be piloting this first round.
Okay, that's fine.
You two can figure out
am
who
I
wants to
boarding
board.
Or am I gunning? Whatever floats your boat, Aiden.
I'll gun.
Okay, I'll board. I gladly work things out in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, we're all very passive people, so we don't really
Dorsal
care.
turret. On board.
360 thing. Yep, Jordan, get ready to drop whenever it says.
No,
cruise
no, the
ship.
dorsal turret is
The one up top?
They don't
or-
have side turrets anymore.
Fighter
Oh.
launch detected.
Oh wait, so where do I exit from?
Oh, it is a laser. Cool.
On the board. Good
Oh,
hunting.
I can. Tell me when there's a cruise ship, Cephalon.
What does one do?
What have you done?
I don't know.
There's a cruise ship.
Hey, cruise ship.
Apparently you just... Okay, there's a cruise ship.
What did I do? I used a tactical.
Oh gosh,
Oh.
why is flying different in this game now? Ow! That hurt, you a-hole. Now you're gonna die for that.
Hey, Aiden, let's say we take out the second cruise ship in style.
What?
Railgun it?
I'll try to find the railgun.
Routing.
Oh, right, we don't know where that is. We'll go into free flight next time.
I found it! Point!
Don't
Alright.
point it at me, please.
We won't. We'll look for the next cruise ship.
I think that's
In
the...
case
Target
that
acquired.
There it
works.
is.
Just in case that works, you know, just don't do it.
Yes! Oh, I'm so glad I can still do that.
Oh, I'm doing it next, baby.
I,
Cruise ship reactor has damage.
I'll board next.
Secured. Enemy have turned tail.
Jordan, you're flying.
Complete.
I'm on the railgun.
we still need to get the yellow things, though.
Oh, right, we do.
Yes.
I beat you to
Ventral
the right.
turret.
Yeah, you go towards that one.
Oh, maybe... Can I see... I can see the finger now!
Oh, congratulations. I'm in
Oh yeah,
there.
That's
so
all.
when Wally shows up in the thing, he'll actually show his hand,
Jordan, watch
and
this.
he
What?
has his index finger down.
You see that flurry?
He has all
of
the other
missiles?
fingers extended,
Yeah.
but all the other ones
Aiden,
have the
come over
index
here.
fingers down. Yeah.
Come up front. Look.
Whoa.
It's instead of the singular missile, I bought that.
Mitchell.
Nice.
Shut the fuck up, Jordan. Although, I need more intrinsics or I won't be able to craft the railguns in space. I chose using it instead of crafting it first.
So they're just all 360 turns, basically?
Yeah, are they? Is that the thing now?
Well, there's still Phantom Eye, which lets you shoot in every direction.
Ventral turret?
Maybe they're
Wait,
Oh,
let me...
maybe
it's
they're
like-
like
Yeah, okay, I see now.
Oh. Oh.
I see.
So is this like the back of the ship and that's just the front of the ship?
Well, no, I think this is below the ship, actually. I can't
Yeah, it's
tell.
top
the
and
ship
bottom.
doesn't
This
register.
is above, and you can't look behind you, though.
yeah, it's 180 degrees.
So did they get rid of the thing? Yeah, they did. They got rid of the turret up here. Hey, are you guys gonna vote?
Oh yeah, we have to do that. Wait, what?
Wait, no. Just force us into it. It doesn't say we can vote on
We
it.
literally can't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's
We've never had to vote on these. It's always just been you hit the button and it just takes you.
Yeah, why did they change that?
Well, we don't know if they did. It could just be me
Mission
glitching.
complete. Excellent work, 10 out.
I find that unlikely. Oh, my
Really, it's
plexus
Warframe.
upgrade.
What even is that? Oh. There's Railjack.
Conic nozzle.
Hey, Jordan, you're flying, aren't you?
What do you mean?
Well, who's flying the ship?
Holy mother
would be
God.
Jordan.
God.
Huh? Yeah,
I'm
might
in
be
the
pretty
slingshot.
strong. Cruise ship.
Going for it. Sup, bitches.
Okay, these guns are super different.
Yeah, I think I'll just put these on.
It's weird. It's weird. It's weird, and I'm not used to it.
You'll get used to it.
I'm getting the hell out of here.
Enemy fighters are falling back.
All right, hey, I'm gonna head to the railgun up top.
Latino has exited the railway.
Okay.
Cruise ship has
Yo,
gone
hey,
bye-bye.
look, it's a cruise ship.
I'm getting
Damn
back
it,
into
I
the
entered the ship.
slingshot.
No, don't, Aiden. I want to blow it up.
What?
I don't know. how
Wait,
to
is that
use
the
these
one
things.
blowing up, or is it?
Help.
What do you mean help?
Okay, that's the slingshot. So how do I use the artillery?
Well, you better hurry up because
You know what? I'll just use the slingshot this time. Jordan, come back.
what do you mean come back?
We have captured the
Flying
enemy
away.
cruise ship.
Oh,
Aiden, where's the artillery? Like, where do you go to use that?
Right behind the pilot's thing.
Right behind? So
Yeah,
it's not
it's
out
right
of the
there.
ship?
No, it's not outside the ship. No, it's
Okay,
inside the ship, and then you get on this thing and it takes you down.
understood. I have a visual on the cruise ship.
do it.
Yeah,
Very
so do
nice.
I.
Yeah, I know you're in it. I'm gonna blow it up soon. Can I just fire
Wow.
on it?
That is actually just effective.
No, because he's in.
Are you gonna railgun me or not?
I did, Aiden.
Oh,
Get
can
out.
you not? Ah,
It's friendly fire. Jordan, back up.
hold on. I'm out.
It's already dead.
All right then. I guess I'll not railgun thing.
Well, that's not how I expected that to go down.
Wait, there's still another one. What?
No,
Or
we
is
just
that the
have to
one
wait for it to
going
finish
down?
exploding.
Yeah, these guns are really weird, in my opinion.
We have one less cruise ship to be
Alright,
competed with.
I'm piloting
Oh,
this
there's a
time.
purple. There's a purple. There's a purple. I'm going to the
The
purple.
enemy is no longer a viable threat. Your tactics were sound. Resolving mission brief. Now
To the
ready
purple.
for new heading.
Wait, what?
Detected.
Yeah, there's a purple sign. Okay, I got
Prepare
it.
to engage.
I'm sorry, what's happening?
I was more worried about what Cephalon Side just said.
Yeah, what? An attack craft?
Something
What?
shooting at us.
Near interceptors.
Something was just shooting at us. Something's still shooting at us.
Someone just get to navigation.
All right.
Oh, shaboo, shaboo. Wait, I just hit something.
There's probably a rock.
Oh, these things?
Hey, are you gonna get off the goddamn seat so I can get in there?
I'd like to use artillery.
Oh, true, true, true. I'm using gunniness.
Another job well executed.
Yeah,
Or
it's
am
fine.
I?
We've got enough where we can just bomb the the cruise ships. Jordan can handle turrets. I'll stay in artillery.
Well,
The Grenier call their missile batteries a persistent reminder of Grenier's.
Oh, I chose. Wait, but why is this a missile platform? I chose the same thing. God damn. We'll deal with the ships first.
Marked.
Just make sure you keep a distance from that thing. Cruise ship.
there we go.
Ah! Oh, goddamn.
You missed.
Yeah,
What?
the thing was moving, and I didn't know it had a charge time. Jesus. Luckily, I made
Okay.
more, so I could miss once. It's fine.
Fire gun.
Up some space.
I would need some.
There are turrets to your right or left.
Signature.
Hello, cruise ship.
The enemy.
Yeah,
reinforced.
pilot. Ah. I'm gonna miss.
Don't shoot
Oh,
me.
that was lucky. All right. I'm gonna enter the slingshot and head to the missile
Anti-fighter
platform.
cover. They are about to break. Boom. Crew ship eliminated. Focus on remaining targets.
Oh, I thought that was the railgun again. I was like, what are you using the railgun for?
Alert. Enemy fighters.
Oh my
are
god,
being
this is hard to
scrambled.
aim. Well, I went somewhere.
Tell me.
Okay, that was
tell
actually
me
pretty.
about it.
Fighters neutralized.
Hey, if somebody wants to join me,
Join you with what?
just out here.
Oh, you
Aiden,
want
move the slingshot. It'll probably be quicker for you.
Do
I'm
I have
piloting.
it? Where is the
Oh
slingshot?
Christ! It's just
Missile
cannons.
It has to go. Standard op. Infiltrate and
Where is the slingshot? Do I have access to the slingshot?
Whoa, missiles! No, 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 no.
Did that answer my question? Not sure.
Ow! 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 I made it. Woo! I keep hitting shift instead of crouch. That's what I
Just us red boys in a green ship. Time is wasting. We're timed, apparently.
No, we're not.
No, that was because I just sent a hurry order.
Oh,
I was seeing the command stuff.
radiator.
Crew, trash that radiator.
Hey,
open fire.
are you able to see that or?
Alright, fuck it. Jordan, take the wheel.
Wee.
Because
Yeah.
I'll head to the other side and open the second radiator.
Wait, is there a huge, giant gun on top of it that I need to
Damn minute.
worry about?
Yeah,
Yes.
Jordan, don't get close. Aiden, deal with that radiator.
Coming in hot.
We'll still be like 3,000 meters away.
Yep.
Be
It's
3,000
fine, it's a big
meters
target.
away.
Coming in a little bit
Throw
less
bullets.
hot.
Coming in lukewarm.
They're firing.
Warning, projectile incoming.
Jordan, back up if they're firing at you.
One
Oh, no, they're not firing at me.
They're firing at me.
Okay, we'll just dodge. I'm almost at the second area.
Rings of dodge.
I've
Just
reached
dodge.
the console.
Just dodge.
Load up, go.
Gee, never fucking thought about that.
Shut up, Aiden.
Oh.
Gotta reach the core.
vulnerable.
I'm on
I
my way.
thought it was.
Marking
Wow.
sensitive systems. Trash the place.
I didn't know it was literally just a laser. The guns.
Aiden, you can head back to the ship if you want.
I can't?
Yeah, I don't know what else you would do.
How far away can I
The core is
be
right
from
here.
I'm just gonna stay here and just in case.
Oh, yep, definitely blew it up. Ooh.
Missile
Alright, heading back.
Damn it, how do I warp back to the Railjack? I'm pretty sure I have that.
You pull out your Omni.
Us move on. Rainier forces routed from system.
I have no idea how these chumps keep paying for those.
Sector secure. Closing dossier.
Hey, how's it going? I just warped
Oh, hey.
in. Ah, you got the golden.
I'm on guns this time, yeah?
Yeah,
We're doing front flips.
I'm pilot. All right, I'm gonna switch to my I need experience for these people loadout. Wait, where's the armory thing? Oh, did they get rid of it? Son-
Hey, yo, guys, we're upside down.
Well, then never mind. I won't
Maybe.
be doing that. However, come here, dome charge.
Do you like our view?
You, God, what have you
Like-
done, Jordan?
We could probably go up to a higher
Upside
difficulty.
down. We're upside down.
Yeah, I'll bump this
Alright,
up.
I'm gonna go get a cookie real quick.
God damn it.
I'll be back. I'll be back in a jiffy. I don't know what a jiffy is.
I think I'm gonna end this episode here. It's been 45 minutes. We'll just resume it whenever Aiden gets back. All right. That was Warframe. This is my Railjack. This is the new update. Bear with us. We're learning. See you later, nerds.